See, if you can simply replace the people you're around the most with, like, start replacing with some people who are where you want to go, right? I'm not saying to get, you might have a broke cousin who you love more than anything in the world, and you may just love being around them. It's not like they have to make money. It's just that, are they pulling you down or are they lifting you up? If they're not empowering you, then maybe just take a break for a little while. Just take a break for a little while. Because if you could just get around some people that think big. Now, for me, I had to cut my friends out because they were the crabs in a bucket. You know the story, the crabs in the bucket, crab tries to get out, the other crabs try to crawl on it, stand up, just all pulling each other down because they all want to get out. Those are my friends. My friends were more likely to pull me down to try to pull themselves up. They would say, oh my God, yeah, we want to go with you. We want to go, come down here to help us. Come back down here and help us, you know? And they just wanted help. But in order to help, they would pull me down. They would say, yes, we want to get out too. So come down here and help us.